You know, rust is the bane of any car, especially an old car like this. Now, here at Motorhead Garage, we got different ways you can deal with it, but one of the ways we like is to contain it. Sam, show them what we're talking about.
You know, that's really an easy thing to do. And to help us out, we got Jim Kroilak here from KBS Coatings. Jim, tell us how this system works.
Well, Sam, it's a three-step system. The KBS in the name stands for Clean Blast Seal.
We're taking a quick break on a cool little project over here on the side.
Yeah, man. From our friends at KBS Coatings, this is their ultimate frame coater kit. It's got everything you need to clean, blast, and seal. And obviously, this is not a frame. I know, right?
Yeah, but it's great because you get a kit like that. You have everything you need for a full-size car or truck, and it's durable. I mean, dude, give those things a smack.
Yeah, man. I love this. This is how they show off how tough it is, okay? Hold your ears. Clean, blast, and seal, and this is the type finish you get, man. Pretty sweet, right?
Yeah, wouldn't you be proud to have that underneath your hot rod, your car, truck, whatever?
Yeah.
Well, if you're looking for the perfect restoration and you want everything to look just great, look no further than KBS Coatings. I'm here with Jim, and I tell you what, I have never seen something more beautiful than this old rear end that you have just completely gone through. And you've made it so everybody at home is going to be able to have the same result.
There it is after the first coat. No drips, no runs, no errors. It's absolutely beautiful. Second coat, it'll be even slicker. Let it cure good. Becomes real tough, but it's not going to, chip or crack. It really does a great job, and it's encapsulated the rust, so there is no more rust.
This is the frame coater kit from KBS Coatings, and it's a great way to rehab the frame on your vehicle. So if you're taking everything apart, you're starting from the frame up, doing a whole big restoration, you want to set it off with a good foundation, and this is a great way to do it.
This is a real test here, man. Coating a couple pieces of pipe and letting the man just bang at it as hard as you can. That's proof right there. That's all you need to know on how tough this product really is.
Well, it's always a pleasure to represent a product. It's a good value. The guys, everything is plain, and they've got such a varied product line with the top coaters, the cavity coater. Once you take a sample kit home and use it, you're hooked.
And you can wail on this. It's great. Look at that. Not even a chip or a crack. Where are you going to find it? KBS RustSeal.